help Nick and Sally collect the objects by selecting the things you need.
Hat, mitten, boots, pants, sock, party hat. Great work! You got all the items. Now let's sort